Welcome to One More Guru. Lark Player is a simple and reliable app for playing and organizing your music, but it's important to know that it does not download songs from the internet. It only plays audio files that are already stored on your device. To use it, you'll need MP3 files from trusted and legal sources, and the app will automatically recognize them once they're saved. When you open Lark Player, tap Import to scan your device for music files. After the scan, your songs will appear in the library, ready to play offline. The app organizes your music automatically, making it easy to browse and enjoy your collection. Lark Player is a free music and video player available on Android and iOS, allowing you to play local files at no cost. Many users like Lark Player because it's easy to use, works well offline, and delivers good audio quality. One common complaint is that edits to song details, such as artist or album names, don't always save permanently and may revert back. Despite this, the app continues to receive high ratings for its overall performance. With Lark Player, you have a powerful free tool to enjoy your local music and videos offline with high-quality playback. Start adding your music and enjoy the experience. Like and subscribe for more tips.